Hello and welcome to our video on advanced tags for your custom reports. Go one step further in customization with some special item tags. Tailor your reports to your needs with these tags and create advanced, intelligent exports. Get a list of all these tags by just clicking on the link in the description section of the video.
Let's take a look at some general information tags. Here's the list of these tags. Just add them to your custom report and view them magically transform upon data entries. Let's have a look. I've uploaded the document with the general information tags in a format tailored to my needs and saved the form. Now, when I fill out the form, I can automatically view this information on the report every time a data entry is performed.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at support@kizeo.com.